So guys, I just made it in to, I think I'm in Fort Worth, Texas. I'm sorry I didn't get to shoot me leaving Louisiana, New Orleans. I was a little late for my flight. I'm gonna miss this one. I'm gonna make sure I get to this one on time. What is place at? I am on, I don't know what number travel assignment this is, but I'm not new to this, I'm true to this. I'm going to B35. Headed to Des Moines, Iowa. All right, guys, I've arrived to downtown Des Moines, Iowa. So let's sit back and enjoy the view.
They're thinking about slowing down, that's when I'm moving quicker. That's when me and a lot of these motherfuckers differ. While they waiting my lottery turn to something thicker. Homies on gold, there's gotta be something in the slicker. They thinking about giving up, that's when I'm building bigger. Some see it and get excited, they some gold diggers. Used to say they didn't want me, now they switch up, cause we always getting money when we rolling like a motion picture. Keep it spinning for those that talk shit up on the regular and don't know that they headed for a go-getter. Internet tough man, say let's go to Twitter. Everybody want a piece, but they don't know the scripture. I'ma be out here for at least a couple weeks with a tight grip to make sure I never fumble G's. Looking for my money and some motherfucking double D's. Ain't grinding no biz, then I'm grinding with a couple freaks. All we do is grind. And license me, start is creeping. I ain't been sleeping, cause all we do is grind.
The hotel, I want y'all to see what they have me in. This is the first room. Downtown Iowa. Not the best view. I'm on the 15th floor. It's all right. Hey, little people down there. Finally made it to downtown Iowa. Whoop, 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 whoop. Ah, so excited. I start my contract tomorrow. I have to be there at 8 o'clock in the morning. Y'all, let me tell y'all about how my day went. It started off super crazy. So I end up showing up 3 minutes late for my first flight. So I missed y'all by 3 minutes. 3 minutes. And I promise you, the guy who was checking me out at the help out desk took forever. He was the reason I missed the flight. If you ask me, big shoes, little shirts, big suit ass. But we gonna let that be where it's at. I end up finally making it. So instead of me going from New Orleans International Airport to Charlotte, I had to go from New Orleans to Fort Worth, Texas to downtown Iowa. But I did get here in one piece. So I'm just here hanging out, chilling until I start my assignment in the morning. Just want to keep y'all guys up to date on what your girl doing. I also want to give y'all some insight on why I decided to start this channel. Because I feel like a lot of younger women around my age need to see African-American females do something greater than, you know what I'm saying, what we see done every day, like on Instagram, Facebook, all that kind of stuff. I want to show you that it's something we could do more productive as being a travel nurse. Super fun, super exciting. You make great money, you meet new people. And so I thought it'd be great to like record the journey and not necessarily focus on travel nursing, but focus on me as a whole in and of its own. I know I'm a little crazy, but I hope y'all love my channel and what I'm bringing to y'all. Keep it original, sassy, classy, and a little ratchet, because I always do. But I'm excited. Follow up, guys. Good morning, y'all. I'm on my way to my first day of orientation at the hospital. Wish me luck. I mean, excuse how I look. I'm extremely tired, exhausted. I know I look rough. But I will update you after the orientation, let you know how it goes. Hey, y'all. Checking in for my first day of orientation at this hospital. And did they get their money worth out of your girl today? I must say. So let me start off with it started off wrong from the jump. Like since when I woke up. So I got up, you know what I'm saying, getting ready for work and everything. So I called the dude downstairs at the front desk, and I'm like, hey, it had to be from 8 a.m. 8 a.m. Yeah, that's what time I had to be there. And so I called the dude like 7:40. So, you know, to have the car parked out front, because we get valet parking down here in the Marriott. So I call him, you know what I'm saying, so the car can be warmed up and everything. So when I get in there, it's gonna be, ooh, snuggy, cozy, warmy, whatever y'all wanna call it. He like, yes ma'am, promptly. I will have it out there, looking at him. So I go down there. I see the car parked out there, but he ain't nowhere to be found. Like nowhere, y'all. And so it wasn't like it was a little 2-3 minute wait. I'm out here like 5-10 minutes. I end up going to the front desk to ask the dude, like the host, like where Brad with my car key? Cause you know what I'm saying, I need it. Like I know he probably was getting somebody else a car, but when it started taking 10-15 minutes. So I go up to the desk, a dude on the phone, so I'm patiently waiting. So he finally got off the phone and he like, yes ma'am, how may I help you? I'm like, yes sir, I called at like 7:40 for my car to be pulled out front. And I was like, I noticed that the dude hasn't been out. He was like, he's probably going to get someone else's car. You have to wait. I'm like, good morning to you too. I just asked you where my car is. I gotta go to work. Now it's 7:55. I gotta be there at 8 a.m. So he finally pull up with the other girl car. She get out and they laughing and playing. So he finally come over there and give me my keys. So I get to work. I get there probably like 8:05. So we end up having orientation. Orientation was straight. We was in the classroom. I say from 8 a.m. to probably 4 p.m.-ish. And then I ended up having to go to the floor to like work on the floor with like and shadow like one of the nurses. Who shadowed? Put me clean straight to work. Baby, they got that money out of me ASAP. I'm tired of the mud. My feet hurt. Like, I had some new shoes. I'm like, man, it's gonna take me a little minute to break them joints in. Broke them in. Yeah, I just don't understand the type of day I had. This I knew I was gonna have a bad day. Not only did the dude mess up my car, like, women, you know how you go to the restroom and we don't wanna like sit on the toilet and stuff? You know, it'd be germy. Like, even if we like roll, make our own little toilet seat cover. So I'm doing it and stuff. So I'm just like, nah, I still want to hover over this shit. So I'm up in the bathroom, I'm hovering. Then I get done, all I see is I done wet. It was like, ooh, on the first day it works. So then I'm ready to go home, ready to go take a shower because I want to hover. Because I can't put these cakes on the toilet seat. I can't get cakes with COVID. They just don't work. They don't work well together. So I'm like, I won't tell her. I'm only 5 minutes away. Hey, bro, let me go ahead and go. Whoop, whoop, whoop. So I'm free balling the whole orientation. Straight free balling. I'm at Iowa. It's cold. My cheeks cold. I'm cold. Then I got patients. Y'all, it was terrible. But I'm off the next 2 days. The Lord must have known I was going to need y'all. I'm so tired. I sat here about 15, 20 minutes debating on if I was going to record. What I be doing. Woo. But I'm out. So hopefully we get to see what I get to do on my off days and explore downtown Iowa. It's going to be lit. Tune in for day 3, I think. Bye.
Keep it flipping like old Motorola's. Confetti in a Chevy with a heavy motor. 75 the trunk low, I got too many for ya. Fuck around the snow limit, I got plenty.